Here I have Huawei Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch to power off one more time. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and right now you have to prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC, and now you have to start holding two keys, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys, and right now you can connect your device to your USB-C cable. Let's keep holding these two keys, and you can release all keys as soon as Huawei logo pops up on the screen. Now let's wait for the download mode. Excellent. As you can see, the device is trying to install the update. This is the download mode of your Huawei. So right now you can try to update your device, or if you are not doing anything, you can simply quit this mode by pressing the power key. The warning pops up, but if you are not installing the update, it doesn't concern you. When the device goes black, you can release power key. You may also disconnect your device from your USB-C cable, and let's wait until your device shows you the home screen. Excellent, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.